sports in a sense that it's really
Adidas
flexible.
headphones, flexible.
Really flexible and durable.
The material is cotton, no?
It's
Like the
3D
shoes,
knitted.
like the shoes.
Exactly, like the shoes. So it's 3D knitted, so it breathes a lot when you get sweaty.
That's nice.
And if you get really sweaty, you can take the cushions off and throw it in the washing machine, and then they're
Really?
yeah, and then they're as good as new. And you can also take off the inner headband as well if you get sweaty.
The price of this is
$169, and this one is $149.
this is in ears.
Yes, exactly.
Bluetooth, rechargeable, battery here. You know the battery how
It's
long lasts.
16 hours,
USB.
and it's fast charging as well. And this one is 40 plus hours, so it's for like really a long time usage.
Wow.
Kind of hard to find the there you go.
Adidas.
Yes.
Beautiful headphones. Okay, hold this. Magnetic here.
Yes, it's magnetic and also has the audio pulse. Let me do it like this. So like this. So you can wear it around your neck, and when you snap them together, the music stops and it goes into battery saving.
What is? Do you know the model names?
Yes.
How-
So this one is called Repeat.
Repeat.
Yeah, but it's spelled RPT. And this one is called Forward, but FWD. So it's like an abbreviation of. So it's kind of to get both the music and the sports.
Are there any lights for indications on it? Lighting, LED.
LED, yeah. So that's on this one you find it. Wait, where is it?
Yeah, if you press.
Right there. So then.
Yeah, it's. Yes, yes.
There. And then on this one, find it right there.
Yes.
So
They are very soft. They are like cloth, like
yeah, exactly.
not a device.
Exactly. That's what we wanted to find. Like not too techy, still have all the tech that you need, but in something that makes sense to have on your body, you know,
Beautiful.
and like around your neck and on your head.